This video was edited by AI. I actually started editing them myself, but I didn't have time to finish. So I handed it off to my AI agent using OpenClaw. It took my screen recording, picked the important parts, structured everything, and finished the edit for me. And that's just one part of the system. I also built an automation that pulls content from NASA, generates a script using OpenAI, creates AI voice using n8n Labs, turns it into a full video, and uploads it automatically. So I'm not just creating content, I'm delegating the work to AI. From idea to editing, everything runs without me. If you want a system like this, please follow me.
Today, we're not just automating a task, we're building a content creation machine. Imagine waking up to a fresh video in your Google Drive, fully edited, narrated, and ready to upload. No manual work, just pure automation. We're using n8n, NASA, OpenAI, and 11 Labs to do it. Let's break down the tools. You'll need n8n, running locally or in the cloud. This is the brain. The NASA API for high-quality free space imagery. OpenAI, GPT-4 for writing engaging scripts. 11 Labs for professional voiceovers. And JSON to video for rendering the final MP4. First, go to api.nasa.gov. Sign up and get your API key. Copy that key. In n8n, add an HTTP request node. Method get. URL https://api.nasa.gov/planetary/apod. Add a query parameter API key and paste your key. Test the node. You should see a JSON response with a URL field pointing to today's image. Next, add an OpenAI node. Connect it to the NASA node. In the prompt, map the title and explanation from the NASA response. Tell GPT-4, write a short, engaging 30-second script about this image suitable for a video voiceover. Adjust the temperature to 0.7 for creativity. Now for the voice. Add an 11 Labs node or HTTP request if using the API directly. Select your voice ID. I'm using Stacy here. Map the text output from OpenAI to the text field. This node will return binary audio data, the final piece. We need to send both the image URL from NASA and the audio file from 11 Labs to JSON to video. Construct a JSON payload with scenes, layers, and assets. Map the audio URL and image URL correctly. This step renders the video. Let's run the full workflow. Watch the execution log. Green check marks everywhere.
Performing a special maneuver called a powered flyby. This flyby took Orion very close to the moon's surface, only about 130 kilometers away. By doing this, Orion gained speed and used that extra energy to travel even farther out into space. The orbit Orion entered after the flyby is called a distant retrograde orbit. That might sound complicated, but it simply means the spacecraft was circling the moon at a great distance, about 9,000 kilometers beyond it. The word retrograde means it moved in the opposite direction to how the moon itself orbits Earth. This allowed Orion to reach a record-breaking distance, just over 400,000